If you're looking for the best eSIM for Japan for your upcoming trip, you need to stop your plan to buy a physical SIM card at the airport right now. Losing your internet connection in the middle of a crowded Tokyo intersection can completely ruin your entire travel experience. Relying on Narita or Haneda Airport Wi-Fi is a huge mistake because the coverage drops the moment you step outside the terminal. And let us not even talk about paying exorbitant data roaming charges to your home provider just to load a simple map. Today, I'm going to share one of the most crucial Japan travel tips you will ever hear. I personally tested the coverage, speed, and overall reliability of the top providers in the market. We are going to do a deep dive into the ultimate battle of Airalo versus Ubigi and Holafly. In this video, I will show you exactly which network package is truly worth your hard-earned money. More importantly, I will show you exactly how to save cash on roaming fees without sacrificing your connection speed. Before we get into the heavy comparisons, let us talk about the actual setup process. The first piece of good news is that setting up an eSIM is incredibly simple. If you have never used one before, you might think it requires technical skills, but it really does not. You do not need to deal with tiny pins or worry about losing your primary physical SIM card while you are overseas. The QR code installation process takes literally less than 2 minutes before you even board your flight. You simply purchase the plan on your phone, scan the code provided to your email, and follow a few basic prompts on your screen. The moment your plane touches down in Japan, you simply toggle your cellular data on and you are instantly connected to a local network. There is no waiting in long lines at a tourist kiosk after a tiring 14-hour flight. You can immediately pull up your train schedule, message your family, and figure out exactly how to get to your hotel. But the real question is, which provider actually delivers the fastest and most reliable speeds on the ground? It is easy for companies to promise great service, but the reality in a densely populated city can be very different. Let us look at the real-world speed tests I conducted right in the middle of the famous Shibuya Crossing. This is one of the busiest pedestrian intersections in the world, which makes it a perfect stress test for any cellular network. Down in the deep subway stations, Airalo managed to pull an impressive download speed that kept my navigation running flawlessly. I was able to track my subway transfers in real time without experiencing any frustrating buffering. Holafly, on the other hand, performed incredibly well when loading high-definition videos and updating social media on the go. Holafly provides unlimited data in Japan, which is absolutely perfect if you are a heavy data user or a digital nomad. You can upload heavy files, stream music, and back up your photos to the cloud without constantly checking your remaining balance. Ubigi also offers very solid local coverage, and they are quite popular among frequent travelers to Asia. However, I found their package structures a bit less flexible for short trips compared to the other two giants in the space. During my daily testing, Airalo gave me slightly lower latency overall, which made translating menus and booking rides feel much more responsive. When you are trying to use a translation app to read a menu at a local ramen shop, that low latency makes a huge difference in your day. Now, in the spirit of complete honesty, neither of these top choices is absolutely perfect. To be fair, Holafly does have one slight drawback, which is that their pricing is a bit higher than the industry average. You are paying a premium for that unlimited data luxury, and if you only use your phone for basic mapping and texting, it might be overkill. On the flip side, Airalo is much more budget-friendly, making it great for backpackers and strict budget travelers. But the downside is that you do have to keep a close eye on your data limits. If you happen to use too much data scrolling through social media, you will have to manually open the app and top up your plan. However, you can easily overcome this pricing issue right now. I have partnered with both of these leading providers to secure exclusive discount codes just for the viewers of this channel. If you decide that Airalo is the right fit for your travel style, you can use the code checklist at checkout to save 10% on any plan. If this is your very first time using their service, use the code checklistnew to save up to 15% on your new eSIM. If you prefer the peace of mind that comes with unlimited data, you can choose Holafly instead. Using the discount code DECECHLIST will give you 5% off any Holafly travel eSIM. If you're planning a longer stay, That same code gives you 10% off Holafly plans for the first 12 months. The best part is that you do not even have to memorize these codes or type them in manually. To ensure you are on the official secure portal and to apply these discounts automatically, just click the links I have placed in the very first line of the description below. The discounts will be automatically applied to your cart when you check out, saving you both time and money. It is the easiest way to secure your connection before you even pack your bags. Ultimately, choosing the right provider comes down to your specific travel needs and daily habits. If you are going on a short trip and want to keep your budget strictly under control, Airalo is your #1 option. It gives you exactly what you pay for on a highly reliable network. If you are staying longer and want the absolute freedom of never worrying about data caps, you should definitely go with Holafly. Not having to count your gigabytes while you are trying to enjoy your vacation is worth the slight premium in price. The choice is entirely up to you and how you plan to navigate your adventure. Which team are you on? Team Airalo or Team Holafly? Let me know your thoughts, your previous experiences, and any questions you have down in the comments section. I read every single comment and I would love to help you prepare for your amazing trip. Have a fantastic journey, stay connected, and travel safely. Disclaimer: some of the links in this description are affiliate links. If you use my link or discount code, it helps support the channel at no additional cost to you, allowing me to keep creating free content for your next trip. Thank you for your support.